Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for Thursday, May 27th. For today, we got quite a bit to do just to kind of wrap up our school year. So for your do now, you're going to be doing your typing club, and then for the rest of today, you're going to be working on your scholar reflection. So once you guys finish up that do now, you're going to be taking a scholar survey. It's located in your Google Classroom. You guys are going to use the directions to take the scholarly attributes survey. Inside, you're going to have a brief activity to also complete. So let's look at what it looks like. So you are going to have a brief survey that says items such as I have many more things to learn, I come to school prepared with all my tools to learn, I ask thoughtful questions. What you are going to do is you're going to highlight always, usually, sometimes, seldom, or never. And then in the following page, you are going to go ahead and to finish up your survey, you're going to put, what do you want to know more about? What tools are helping you reach your goals? What questions do you have about discipline you're studying? So English, science, you're taking a special sport, those are your disciplines. So kind of fill that out. And then as a reflection, I want you guys to choose 2 traits that you highlighted as seldom or never and list them below. And what can you do to improve to demonstrate trait 1, and what can you do to improve to demonstrate trait 2 on a more regular basis? After, together as a class, we are going to be looking at what are some of the habits of a scholar. Now that you guys have taken this survey, it should hopefully get your mind going on what does a scholar do? What are some of those habits we build? All right, once we do that, I'm going to let you guys go for our second part of the class. You guys are going to be learning about these scholarly traits. There's 11 traits that come with just being a general scholar, such as academic humility, preparation, intellectual curiosity, etc. You're going to take those traits and you're going to use them for this chart right here. Your directions are on the left. You're going to choose 4 of the scholarly traits from this graph, and you're going to go ahead and insert them in right here where it says insert, 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 insert. You're going to type up, how do you demonstrate this trait? So, for example, if you demonstrate academic humility, so scholars understand no matter how much we learn, there's always much more to learn. How do you demonstrate that? How do you know that there's always more to learn? So you can type that up here. Make sure you put your name and a picture of yourself, all right? Just so that we know, whose final project this really is. So that is what we are going to be working on today in class, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you insert the name right here. You can get rid of this. So if you're going to put academic humility, type academic humility here, okay? Make sure you also have a picture of the actual trait. Notice that there's like a little cup, a backpack, a question mark, a star. Make sure you put those traits by each one. You only need to pick 4 that really kind of tie to you and your experience as a scholar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions after seeing this video, reach out to me, reach out to Mr. Royal, and we'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you in class.